Worried about grease dripping into the control panel of your Ninja Woodfire oven? Fix it fast. The buttons sit right under the cooking cavity, and grease or oil splatter can damage them over time. Here's how to protect them. Step 1. Don't overfill the tray. When food is piled too high or fatty cuts are crammed in, grease can splatter upward and reach the control panel. Keep portions moderate and give space for airflow. Step 2. Cover foods that splatter. If you're cooking bacon, wings, or other oily foods, tent a sheet of perforated foil or use a mesh guard. It keeps grease from shooting upward while still letting heat circulate. Step 3. Line the drip tray. A clean drip tray prevents grease from pooling and boiling over. Use foil or a fitted liner to catch fat before it pops upward. I've linked the liners I use below. They fit snugly, cut cleanup time, and stop splatter. Step 4. Wipe the control panel after each cook. Once the oven cools, gently wipe the buttons with a microfiber cloth. Don't spray cleaner directly. Dampen the cloth instead. This clears away any light residue before it builds up. Step 5. Keep the oven itself clean. Grease that collects on the walls, racks, or door can vaporize and settle on the control panel. Wipe down the inside and outside regularly once cooled to stop residue before it spreads. Protecting the panel keeps your oven working longer and your buttons responsive. But if grease has already seeped into the buttons and caused them to stop working, that points to internal damage. Contact Ninja support using the link in the description. If this helped you keep grease out of the control panel, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need drip tray liners, I've linked the ones I use below. Heat safe, non-stick, and designed to catch grease before it splatters. Thanks for watching, and keep the mess off your buttons.